Hi guys, if you don't know me yet, my name is Liz Tan and we are here to talk about our recent collaboration with Style Korean. We received our care package straight from Korea. And I'm so excited to share you this. I'm so excited to use this actually. This set of products that we received from Korea is actually a post-pimple fix set. It fixes your dark spots, your acne scars, while nourishing your dry skin. So it's perfect for those like me na mayroong mga red spots and ang mga acne scars left from the mask me. So we have a total of 5 post-pimple fix set products brought to us by NEOGEN SUR MEDIC. So the first product that we have is the SUR MEDIC Deep Clear Bright Calming Gel, which is 120 ml. The second product we have is also an exfoliating product. This is the NEOGEN Lemon Bright PHA Gauze Peeling Pad, which is 190 ml and it has 30 pads. The next product that we have, oh, naka-seal. It's actually sealed. So, we gotta open this. Wow, it looks so cute! The third product that we have is the SUR MEDIC AZULENE Soothing Peptide Ampule, which is 80 ml, and it is actually considered the day serum. Next product is another serum here. The fourth product that we have is another serum. This is the NEOGEN Real VITA C Serum, which is 32 grams, and this one is the night serum. So if this is the day serum, this is the night serum. And the last product that we have is from SUR MEDIC, and again, it's sealed. It's a renewal cream. We have the SUR MEDIC Super Ceramide 100 Renewal Cream, which is 50 ml. Kind of big, huh? That's our shiny review product from Style Korean. And I'm gonna explain to each and every one of you the do's and don'ts and how to use this and how is it nice and useful on your skin. So stay tuned. First, let's talk about the exfoliating products. We have 2 of them. The gel, the calming gel from SUR MEDIC, and the gauze peeling pad from NEOGEN. So let's start with the calming gel. The SUR MEDIC Deep Clear Bright Calming Gel is an exfoliating and brightening gel that has bio-honey acids and CICA ingredients. So what are bio-honey acids? Bio-honey acids is an ingredient that improves skincare texture and scalp regeneration, as well as increase moisture content. But the CICA ingredient is an ingredient that is calming to the eczema or your skin problems, irritations, or acne, and is also anti-aging. Yes, these products are actually good for sensitive skin. That's why I love this so much, because I have sensitive and dry skin. So this brightening peeling gel gently removes impurities and dead skin cells while helping improve skin tone and texture for radiant, glowing skin without drying out the skin, leaving the skin moist and supple. The skin soothing ingredients are mainly composed of CICA and tea tree. Ooh, it's actually very watery and cold. It exfoliates as soon as you rub it on your skin. It exfoliates as soon as possible. See that? And it's so cool, and it has a cooling sensation on your skin. So as I've said, these are mainly composed with CICA and tea tree, which helps soothe, I just told you. Hydrate, it's really watery, while improving skin elasticity. CICA ingredient, we'll already talk about that a while ago. Tea tree. What is tea tree for? Well, tea tree is anti-inflammatory and anti-acne, which is good for sensitive skin. How do you use this? You exfoliate once a day. You just use this at nighttime, after everything, after all the day's work, taking off your makeup, you exfoliate this. Use this once or twice a week, depending on how much you need it, and then you take appropriate amount in your hands and massage on dry face. Your face should be dry, not wet, okay? Your face should be dry. After washing your face or cleansing your face, pat it with a dry towel and then exfoliate. You exfoliate, you scrub, and then after scrubbing, when you feel that you have cleaned all the spots that you need to exfoliate, you wash it or rinse it with lukewarm water. Yes, lukewarm water. That's how you do exfoliate. The second exfoliating product that we have is the NEOGEN Lemon Bright PHA Gauze Peeling Pad, which contains 30 pads. Now if you think 30 pads, oh, this is good for 1 month. No, you don't use this every day. This is exfoliating product which you only use 2 or once a week, not every day. So basically it actually lasts around 3 to 4 months depending on how often you use it. And of course use it at nighttime lang. So this gauze peeling pad contains 3 separate pads containing green tea, lemon, and wine. A 3-layer cotton pad that helps roll away dead skin cells while moisturizing the skin. So what are these products for? Green tea. What's green tea for? Green tea ingredients has an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, which is perfect for acne-prone skin. The second ingredient that it has is the lemon fruit water, which helps repair damaged skin cells and improve fine line and wrinkles. Yes, we have to be very, very conscious about that. The third one is wine. Well, technically not wine, but the ingredient grapefruit extract that has acne-fighting, anti-aging, and softening properties, which is, yes, we all need that right now. We need to repair our skin. So, ooh, it's really sealed. Oh, it's super sealed at so many different levels. It's colored yellow. I thought it's only the container that is yellow, but even the pad is yellow. Well, the thing is, it is lemon bright. So one side, these are 2 sides. This one is kind of a little bit color white, and it has like a little circles on it. Can you see? That's the embossed side. While this one is kind of like a gauze. If you don't know what the gauze is, it's like a bandage that you put on a big wound. So yeah. So these are 2 sides. So the gauze side, this is the first thing that you will put on your face. So it has a very slightly rough texture, but not too rough that it will hurt your skin. So this one removes dead skin cell and impurities from the skin, while the one at the back, which is the embossed side, is soap with essence that replenishes skin's radiance, leaving the skin bright and clear. So what do you do first? After cleansing your skin, dry your skin, pat it with a towel. Now take the gauze pad, this one, this part, the side, and gently wipe the face and neck in an outward direction, like this. Outward direction. Also the neck, outward, outward, downward, outward, outward, outward. Always outward because you stretch the skin outward, like that. Now, after doing the gauze side, go to the soft one and do it again. Outward, still outward. Everything is always outward, not inward. When you put something in your face, always in an outward motion. Now this one you use 2 to 3 times weekly, and you can adjust it depending on the frequency of how much you need it. I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna use it next week because we're gonna use the gel first. Now let's talk about the serums. We have 2 serums with us. It is basically the day and night serum. So the SUR MEDIC Azulene Soothing Peptide Ampule is the day serum, while the NEOGEN Real VITA C Serum is the night serum. Why is it day and night? Yes, I'm going to tell you why, but first let's talk about the day serum. We have the SUR MEDIC Azulene Soothing Peptide Ampule, which is 80 ml. What is azulene? Azulene is an ingredient that helps soothe sensitive, irritated, and damaged skin while strengthening skin's barrier to protect the skin. This serum is basically for moisturizing, soothing, and hydrating, which calm and revive sensitive skin, while, as said earlier, strengthen the skin's moisture barrier for a dewy and healthy looking skin. So how does this moisturize? The ceramide capsules inside and the 10 peptides not only soothe the skin but help improve skin's moisture level and wrinkle. So what is ceramide? Ceramide is an ingredient that helps strengthen skin's barrier while hydrating the skin, resulting in a strong and healthier skin. While the soothing and hydrating part, these are the blue capsules. See, when you look inside, it's not really that obvious in the camera, but there are capsules inside, colored blue, and ceramide capsules that help calm sensitive skin while delivering intensive, hydrating, and tightening benefits to the skin. The blue capsules is an ingredient that helps calm and revive sensitive skin while improving elasticity for healthier skin. It smells so good. So basically, this ampule, this blue azulene ampule, improves skin's barrier and moisture level while preventing moisture loss. So this is for hydrating and moisturizing your skin. You're keeping it in there, you know, the moisture, just keep it in there. So when do you use this? How to use this? After toning or after your skin preparation, apply a moderate amount evenly on the entire face. Smooth and gently pat. Do not rub. Okay? Just gently pat until the skin is fully absorbed. Wait for it to dry and then reapply at the area that you want to be moisturized. Like for me, I have a dry patch in here, this part, and I cannot find the perfect moisturizer for it. So this ampule, I would constantly put this over and over here, reapply it over and over as much as needed. Now this one, it doesn't have any vitamin C. It's more on hydrating and moisturizing. So you can use this every day and you can use it on daytime. Next, we're going to talk about the second serum, which is actually the night serum. This is from NEOGEN Real Vita C Serum, which is 32 grams. So why do I keep saying that it's a night serum? Because it has vitamin C, and we all know vitamin C is very sensitive to the UV rays, or aka sunlight. So when you put any vitamin C products on your face, you should not stay under the sun. That's why normally Vita C products or vitamin C products are usually applied before sleeping or at nighttime. Same with vitamin C intake, you must take it during nighttime or when you don't have plans to go outside because it is very sensitive to the UV rays. It makes your skin darker instead of the effect of a brightening effect, because vitamin C is always about brightening. It actually gives the opposite thing when you go under the sun. So this serum is basically a brightening product, as you might have guessed from, yes, vitamin C. It erases dark spot and acne spots. This one I'm really excited because this one is the product that I think is the answer to all my acne scars. Vitamin C, as you all know, is an ingredient which has an overall brightening effect and promote elasticity and collagen. This super potent vitamin C serum, enriched with niacinamide and vitamin C, works as a powerful reboot ingredients to help brighten up and firm the appearance of the skin. Smells good. It has a soothing, it always has this soothing thing. Niacinamide. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide, or vitamin B3, is an ingredient that builds skin cells and improves texture by making pores look smaller, and it is not acidic and fights dullness. It also protects from pollution, sunlight, and toxin. So make sure that when you use this, do not use this when you're going under the sun. How to use? After cleansing and toning, apply thoroughly in the entire face. Smooth and gently pat skin until fully absorbed. Again, use only at nighttime because vitamin C reacts with UV rays. Please keep that in mind. And use one vitamin C product only per day to avoid over exfoliating. So please remember that when you have a lot of products that contains vitamin C, don't use them all together. Always use them on an alternate days. Now, the last product that we have is the SUR MEDIC Super Ceramide 100 Renewal Cream, which is 50 ml. This is a hydrating cream which is suitable for cold environment. Well, if you're in Korea for the winter season, but if you're not in Korea, you're here in the Philippines with me or any tropical country, if you work in an office or you stay at a closed space an air-conditioned, cold, closed space most of the time, which I do because I work in an office, then this actually works for you as well. So what is this super ceramide cream? Ceramide is an ingredient that locks moisture in your skin, which helps prevent dryness and irritation. So when you put all that ampule, you put all that moisturizer, you put this cream, and it locks it inside, making it stay inside your skin, which helps improve moisture level. We all know that fine line and wrinkles are more noticeable when your skin is dry. So we have to make sure that our skin is moisturized all the time to avoid those fine lines that we hate. So this cream has 5 layers of protective skin barrier formulated with 5 types of ceramide and hyaluronic acid. Ceramide, again, we've already tackled that a while ago. So what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that helps increase moisture and reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. It also contains adenosine, which reduces fine line and wrinkles. Double trouble! Adenosine. What is adenosine? Adenosine is a natural ingredient used in cosmetics and skincare products that are generally used for anti-aging properties. Adenosine also helps soothe skin and helps support wound healing and natural function of the skin. Wound healing. When do we have wounds on our faces? Because of acne. This unique formula provides lightweight, non-greasy, and moisturization that absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. At first, it felt heavy, but when you spread it around your face, around the skin or on the face, it actually has a very, very slidey, and that's when you feel the lightweight texture that it doesn't really, it's really slidey and all. It doesn't really stay on this part. It actually just smooths in there. So how to use that? At night, before sleeping, apply the face as the last step of your skincare routine, and then you sleep. This is the last part. This is basically the moisturizer that you're gonna put in your face before you sleep. During morning, after cleansing your face and putting on whatever else that you need on your face before going out, apply this one, and then the sunscreen. Don't put the sunscreen first, alright? Apply the moisturizer first, and then you put on the sunscreen because we need to put on sunscreen every day. So that was a quick review of our 5 post-pimple set products from Korea from NEOGEN and SUR MEDIC. I hope that it helped you, and I hope that you actually learned something about taking care of your skin. Thank you again for trusting me for your skin problems. I really hope that these products will help you as well as it helped me. I'll see you again on my next vlog. It's me again, Liz Tan. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to the whole world that I have a vlog. Bye!